guys, what is up today? I'm going to show you how to make a squishy, but with no cutting, because some of you don't have cutting in the house. This is honestly really easy. It's really nice and squishy. Let's get into the tutorial. First, draw your design. Now fold it. Tape it. Whee! I'm done. Let's cut it. You don't need this part. Now when you're done, tape the other side. Good, now when you're done with this, these together. Done. Now that is now has an opening and a bottom. Let's do the same thing. Now done. First method. First one, sponges. Let's get started. I got the sponge. You can use any type of sponge. You can use a sponge like this, or even a car sponge. Part 2. Right. Hey guys, I think I'm going to do this one or this one. I'm going to do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I did Tiger Bites, the whole like, oh, my mother will choose the best one. Red, white, and blue cheese. This one. So I did eeny, miny, mo. I did this one. You can still use this one. I don't mind. I'm going to use this one. This is just a sponge that's painted white, so no need to worry. You don't need to do that. So they're all the same. I'm going to do this one. This one's calm. Okay, I'm done cut next. To normally cut it into a shape you want. I'm done cutting it to the shape that I want. Let's put it inside. Let's do this. Put this inside. Thank you so much. I just only error. Thank you so much. You guys will never get to that much. Okay, so I'm using the sponge. Where did I find the sponge? I just found it in my house. You can use our sponge. We don't need this sponge specifically. You don't need this sponge. Because some people like don't go into this and they just use like they go anywhere they want. They go anywhere they this and they go exact where this. But this is not in my house. So I just want you to find you can use this one. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm done. Close it. Let's clean it up. Okay, ready guys? I love this. This, I have no idea why I'll rate this. So you can try this at your house. Now for the second one is trash bags. Now the second one is, remove please, tissues. Let's cut the tissues. Let's cut some toilet paper. So guys, I'm just starting mine up here. And use it for a while, toilet papers. Like I'm doing this for 5 toilets. Keep on doing this. Bye guys. Okay guys, I'm done. Sorry for the background noise. Let's add. So guys, I'm adding this. I'm really excited how this looks now. So just add your toilet paper inside. You cut these other tiny little pieces. That's the best idea. That's what I did. You don't have to do this, but that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, I need way more rules. Yeah, I mean hard. So I'm gonna go tape this. I'm done filling it in. Now all the only thing I have to do is tape it. Okay guys, I'm done. This is already real. Okay, this one, it's really flat. If you want something like hard, you can do this one, and like hard and also squishy, you can do this one. This, I will give it about a 7.8 out of 10. And the other one, I will give this about a 9.8 out of 10. Please look at this. I recommend, if you want a hard, squishy, and flat, choose this one. But if you want like a really squishy one, nice and calm, definitely choose this one. Or if you just want something normal, just take this. You can use cotton or stuffing or whatever. Bye. Thanks for watching.